Pakistan Railway has opened its door for every business activity, every business connectivity between all the countries or all the region. We are not going to stop just sending this particular freight train to all these three great countries, but we are opening our door, strengthening basically business to business relationship, and then we will start after that the passenger train.
This dedicated work that you are inaugurating, the PTI cargo train, leaving Islamabad today and going all the way to Istanbul, is a beginning. It's a beginning of a dream that was visualized through the ECO forum. ECO becomes meaningful when we see such projects taking off. The economic integration that was and is required will only take place when such projects and this partnership between the public and the private sector, through Harun Brothers, becomes a reality. And he also said, and I completely agree with him, that the most efficient and the most cost-effective way of transferring goods from place to place is through train service. Hopefully, this will be a beginning. And one day, when this freight train becomes a success, hopefully we will see an PTI passenger train connecting the people of this region. We have a Vision Central Asia. So such projects promote regional connectivity. They complement our Vision Central Asia policy, and I am happy that two Central Asian ambassadors are participating in this on this meeting. So it's a good start.
Our regional trade has started to increase. We've been to Tehran, we've been to Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, only with one purpose: to increase the trade for the betterment of the people of these countries. We have already, through the trucks, not the railway, through trucks, have started. We sent 2 trucks all the way through under the TIR initiative, the TIR convention. We sent them all the way to Tehran and from there into Europe. We've sent it through Uzbekistan all the way to Moscow. But the most important thing is that trucking is not the ultimate. The ultimate will be achieved through railways. And that is why this thing, because railway transportation is much more economical than trucking. And if you want to increase the trade beyond a certain level, it can only be done through the railways. This is why today, for me, is a dream day. It is a dream that we've now started to get this connection through the railways, and inshallah, we will be able to develop this through, and inshallah, one day we'll be there when we'll be able to have a rail going through Afghanistan right into Kazakhstan and across to Europe.
Regional connectivity, it is a must, and today the step we are all taking, thanks to the great efforts of Pakistan Railways and Minister Swati, is a very good step. I hope there is a very bright future waiting all the regional countries, and inshallah we will see the days when our commerce, trade exchanges thrive, bilateral investments increasing and coming to a very satisfactory level.
I also thank our counterparts in Iran and Turkey, who have been also available to us always and all the time and made every possible effort that this great project meets success.